welcome back to another video with me, Charlie Thorpe, the Pop-Up Bookmaker. Today, as I've told you how to do loads of things with your pop-ups, all the methods, today I'm going to show you how to stick your pages together into a book, because you're not really going to have a book with just random pages floating around everywhere, are you? So, I'm going to move the camera down. All you'll need for this video is your pages that you've made. I've just chosen some random pages. That's the first one and this is the second one. I've just chosen random ones, so all you'll need is your pages and glue for this project. It's quite an easy one, to be honest. So, first you need to measure where they're going to go. I'm going to choose this one to go at the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this one there so that it opens up this way, and then you're going to put glue all over this side of your page, and then you're going to stick this onto it. So then if you turn it on top of them, then you can open it up, and that's going to be the first page. So let's get gluing. Again, I told you. Get your glue stick and put glue all the way around your page. It doesn't really matter about the middle because, the middle's not really going to do so much harm, is it? You're going to do much more pages than me. You're going to do about 15 or something. I'm just doing 2 because obviously I'm just showing you how to stick pages together, so I'm not going to spend a whole hour showing you how to stick these together, am I? Then what you're going to do is line up each page, line up the sides and line up the bottom and the top, and then push against it. This video was quite a short one. Just all I needed to do was show you them. So then if you flip this round, then you've got 2 pages so far. That's my first one, and the second one is this one. So I'm just going to show you an example. Remember, this is a very, very short video. So this is an example. This is part of my pop-up book that's going to be published somewhere in 2018. I've only done 4 pages so far, but that doesn't really matter. So this is the first page. It's a jungle, and I've got these flaps sticking up. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to do flaps as well. I've got loads of flaps in this one. See? Loads and loads and loads. And I've got that sticking up there. So that's the first page. And I've glued a second page onto it. This one's mountains. You can't see the top. And I've done a Indian thing. And I've done some writing with loads of flaps again. I've done that bit sticking up, with that bit sticking up as well. And then I've stuck on the third page. I haven't really finished the third page yet. And the fourth page. I haven't finished this either. I've got this so far with that sticking out. And I've got this. And that's my example. It's not my whole finished book. But my favourite site is to look at the sides. Look at all of that thickness inside your book. And now I'm going to teach you flaps. It's a nice simple thing to do. I'm just going to do this piece over here. Remember, don't waste cards, so you want to use up as much cards as you can. I'm just going to get a scrap piece of paper for my page. Fold this in half. Again, this is a scrap piece of paper, so it's got writing on it. Doesn't matter. That's my page, and well, this is sort of an easy project. Just cut out a rectangle, fold it in half, and then either side, I don't mind which try to use, just put glue on one of the sides. This one really doesn't matter about the folds that much, and then stick that onto the place where your page is. Then close that shut. And then obviously you've got a bit that lifts up like that. You can, if you want, to make another flap inside that flap that you've made. So again, just cut out a small rectangle, fold it in half. I'm just going to make it a bit smaller so it fits inside the one that I've already done. Glue on one of the sides. Now this time you're going to stick it on a different way. You're going to stick it on sideways. Open your flap up and stick that in sideways so that when you lift this up, you've got another bit that folds over as well. And even if you like to, you could do another flap inside the flap that we've just added onto the other flap. So as you can see, we're going to have loads of flaps. Again, fold it in half. Put glue on one side. With this one you can put it the upside like this one, or you can just put it sideways like the one in the middle of that up one. But I'm just going to do it sideways so it doesn't bash into anything. But if you are doing it sideways, then you have to do it the opposite way to the one that you've already done sideways. So that when you open your page up, this pops up, and this pops up. And even if you want to, you can't just have flaps like that, just random flaps that people open up. When you open this up, you could have something popping out, like the muscles. You could have something popping out when you open this bit up, and you could have something popping out when you open this bit up. So, yeah, this was quite an easy video, as it's the last one, as usual. So, bye! Sorry, bye!